This is just a quick video on how the DDAmanda 200-day low scan works. Now here we got back, BACK, Nasdaq. On Friday she had a 200-day low. This is in bold red combined with a 15 factor. And then the next day, she gapped up and opened at 17 and had a low of 13 closed. But overall, just a 26% gain. However, if you go back a few days to like on Monday, okay, it would have looked the same as this, except this would have been bold red, okay, and this would have come up on a 200-day low scan on Monday, okay, because that's a 200-day low right there, compared to what she was doing before. Now we have 5 days of RSI here. This is the last 5 days of RSI value. So like 3 days ago, all these would have been a 200-day low, okay? This would have showed up in red. 3 days ago, this would have been the 200-day low. Like if you would have run this scan on 628. Anyway, so 3 days ago, or 4 days ago, the RSI dropped below 40, okay? And then here it is at 37, and then 37 the day before. When she had this 15, it was 37. Then when she ran, now the RSI is 56. But what you do is you combine this 200-day low value with RSI to find these possibilities. I mean, you could have made some pretty good money on this one. So that's how it works. Okay, for every scan that we have, you can get a symbol list, okay? And then you can import it into ThinkerSync. And this is the 200-day low symbols that she found on Friday, okay? And this is what happened on Monday, all right? Look at this. I mean, almost every one of these was green, all right? Here's back, the one we just did, all right? So this 200-day low scan works, all right, guys? All right, thanks again. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.